Hey friends, it's Ella from Healthy Habits Her. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night by a sudden, sharp cramp in your calf or foot? That intense grabbing pain that seems to come out of nowhere and just won't let you rest? Believe me, I've been there. And if you're over 40, or especially over 60, there's a good chance you've felt this too. But here's the important truth. Those cramps? They're not just part of getting older. They're your body waving a little red flag saying, "Hey, I'm missing something important." So today, I want to share with you 5 simple, delicious, protein-packed foods that don't just stop leg cramps, but actually strengthen your legs from the inside out. First, avocados, the creamy powerhouse. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, avocados. Maybe you think they're just trendy, but these creamy green fruits are actually a nutritional powerhouse for your muscles. Avocados are packed with potassium and magnesium, 2 essential minerals your muscles need to relax and recharge. Potassium helps balance electrolytes and supports muscle contraction, while magnesium reduces inflammation and prevents unwanted spasms. I remember a patient of mine, Tom, who's 72 years old. He started eating half an avocado every day, and within just 1 week, his nighttime cramps practically disappeared. Pro tip: enjoy avocado on sprouted toast with a drizzle of olive oil and sea salt, or blend it into your morning smoothie. It's simple, delicious, and incredibly effective. Second, sweet potatoes, comfort food with a purpose. Next up, sweet potatoes. These aren't just tasty and comforting, they're loaded with potassium, magnesium, and calcium. That's a triple win for your muscles and bones. One of my clients, Linda, told me that adding roasted sweet potatoes to her lunch a few times a week gave her more energy and reduced her cramps significantly. Plus, she noticed her digestion improved, which is always a bonus. Try roasting them with olive oil and sea salt. For extra anti-inflammatory benefits, mash them with turmeric and black pepper. Trust me, it's delicious and nourishing. Third, pumpkin seeds. Small but mighty now. Let's talk about pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas. Don't underestimate these tiny seeds. Just a small handful provides up to 40% of your daily magnesium needs, which is crucial for preventing cramps and keeping muscles healthy. Richard, a longtime viewer of mine, shared that after adding pumpkin seeds to his daily snack routine, his restless legs improved, and he finally started sleeping through the night. Mix pumpkin seeds into oatmeal, salads, or simply snack on them by the handful. Easy, affordable, and effective. Fourth, watermelon, sweet hydration for muscles. You might not expect this one, but watermelon is more than just a summer treat. It's rich in potassium and contains a special amino acid called citrulline, which helps improve blood flow and reduces muscle soreness after exercise. A little tip: try watermelon juice with a squeeze of lemon after your walk or light workout. It hydrates your body, soothes your muscles, and supports natural recovery. Fifth, figs, nature's calcium secret. Finally, let's talk about figs. These sweet little miracles are packed with calcium, potassium, and fiber, helping prevent cramps and strengthen your bones. Here's the great part: they're easier to digest than calcium supplements, so your body can absorb them more effectively without stomach upset. Try soaking 3 to 5 dried figs in warm water for 5 minutes. Enjoy them with plant-based milk, oats, or simply as a bedtime snack. They'll nourish your muscles and help you sleep better. So there you have it. 5 simple, natural, protein-rich foods to help you sleep better, walk stronger, and stop those nasty leg cramps before they start. Remember, every cramp is a message from your body. Now you know how to listen and respond with nourishing foods. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Healthy Habits Her. And I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these foods? What worked best for you? Until next time, Take great care of those amazing legs of yours.